Do you want to know how to buy clothes online that fit and you didn't even try them on? Well, stay tuned and I'll tell you some more. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so let's start with the first tip. The first tip is to use the model as a guide. And what I mean by that is you keep in mind that most models are about 5'7" to 5'9", at least the online ones. So if you know that and you see that, like, let's say she has a button-down shirt on. It's really cute. This is where it hits her. So if you are 5'3", it'll probably hit you up here. If you are 5'10", instead of here, it'll probably hit you here. So that's what I mean when I say use the model as a guide or a reference. You can see how things hit her and you'll be able to make an educated guess on how it's going to fit your body. So tip number 2 is use the filters. They are there for a reason. They are there to help you. And when I say the filters, I mean the ones that say, like, you can filter through your size or you could filter through colors. That's what I mean by using the filters. I hate when I see a top, a really cute top that's an amazing price and it's not in my size. Clicked on it, I saw it, and I fell in love, only to be disappointed by the fact that it's not in my size. I hate that. So I would rather not see anything that's not in my size. So that's where I start. Then if the site really likes you and they really care about you, they'll even categorize the styles. One thing that I really like is whenever I can see by shape, or if it's fitted, or what's my favorite? My favorite is style. That is my absolute favorite, where you can put casual or, well, that's more of occasion. When I say style, I really mean like you could sporty or sexy. That's not one I use often. I use like retro or vintage. I also use what else do I use? I use all of the filters. Like, if they're there, I use them. Okay, so my third tip is make a want-need list. That's usually what I do. I also do a great big haul shop every season or pre-season. I check out what was on the runways. I do a lot of research to see what's hot, what trend that will work for me and my style that will also be classic. Like, I can wear it now and I can wear it next year and I can wear it in 5 years from now. So make a list. It's always helpful to have those things that you want in mind. Then you don't forget about it, especially when you shop like I do and you do big haul or big, I can't even think of what it's called. Whenever you buy a lot of things at one time, it's helpful to have a list of what you're looking for so you can stay on track and not put that really cute purse in there that you'll probably only be able to use one time. Maybe I'm just talking to myself or speaking to the choir, but I have been known to do that. If I don't have a list, if I don't have an idea of what I'm looking for, I will just grab a bunch of stuff and then later I will be upset because it doesn't go with anything in my closet. I have done that. I don't do it anymore. The next tip is figure out your personal style. And this is before you even get online or even go shopping for anything. You need to know what you like and what you don't and what fits into your closet, because you don't want to buy something that you're only going to be able to wear one time. I mean, you may want to, but If you like to save your money and you like to buy and you like to make things work for you more than one time, then you're going to want to make sure that you know what your style is. And that leads me to the next tip, which is know your comfort level. And when I say that, I mean know what you're comfortable wearing. For me, I don't mind showing off my shoulders or my collarbone. I love that. I don't mind showing off my legs. The only thing that I'm not like keen to show off is my tummy, and that's because I had 2 kids and my tummy area looks crazy. If you have kids, you may understand. Anyways, so knowing those things helps me to hone or to narrow down what I will and won't buy because I know what I will and will not wear. Another really important thing to know is your measurements. If you know your measurements, then you'll be even more accurate when you're picking out pieces. You'll know if it's going to fit your waist or your hips. You'll know how it will fit your top. One thing to note is the material choice. So if you buy a dress that is the exact measurement of your waist and it has a material that doesn't have any stretch, then you're not going to really be able to move around in that. If it does have some stretch, like it's a jersey stretch, or if it's like something like this, a knit, then you know that it'll fit you fitted and it'll look good if that's what you're going for. Thank you so much for listening to my tips, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Make sure that you comment below and let me know if you liked this video or if you want to see something else, if something that I said inspired you. Also, follow me on Instagram at Sky Chanel. I don't know, you might be able to see it in the back right here. And subscribe and turn on the notifications so you'll know when I upload my next video. Thanks. Bye.